With Oriflame, it's all about you. You can build your income on your own terms and it fits any lifestyle. Making money with Oriflame is simple. By using the products, you get to know the quality and variety of beauty and wellness products created in Sweden. And as a consultant, you get to buy them at a consultant discount. Besides the great products, Oriflame offers an unlimited earning opportunity. There are 2 ways you can earn money: by selling Oriflame products or by inviting others who also sell products and invite more people to join. Simply show the catalogue to your friends and family and ask for their orders. It's an easy, personal and convenient way to shop. With every order you place, you can earn up to 30% profit, and that's what we call immediate profit. On top of this, you can earn a performance discount. Each product has bonus points. The more products you sell, the more points you collect and earn in what is called a performance discount. There are others who will become interested in the Oriflame earning opportunity. These may be your customers, your friends, and others who are interested in additional income or starting their own business. When you introduce others to Oriflame and they start to build their own businesses, that's when your earnings really start to grow in the Oriflame success plan. As you coach others and your team becomes bigger, your earnings continue to grow through performance discounts and bonuses from your team. As your business grows, so do your rewards. Your potential is unlimited. You can earn money, a luxury car, and experience amazing incentive trips with your Oriflame friends. Congratulations! Have fun! With Oriflame, get the lifestyle you deserve. It's simple. First, you join and get started by showing catalogues and taking orders. Second, earn immediate profits by selling Oriflame products to your customers. Third, earn performance discounts and other bonuses by helping others start their Oriflame business. And you can get extra money and incentive trips as your total group sales grow. Look great, make money and have fun while you're doing it. Don't wait for the future, start today. Live life on your terms.